Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up and edit the shopping cart in your Shopify store. Customizing the cart can improve the shopping experience, increase conversions, and make the checkout process smoother. Let's go through it step by step on the Shopify dashboard. To edit the cart, we need to click on Online Store. From there, we select the theme we want to edit. Then we click Edit Theme at the top. Next, we click the drop-down and go to the cart section. Here is the cart. We can edit the title, the cart products, the summary, and featured collections. We can also add blocks to the cart, and we can edit the sections here. Once we're done, we simply click Save, and that's how we set up and edit the shopping cart in a Shopify store.